Fall is in the air here at Camp Griddlemore, and it is prime pancake season. So on today's episode, let's do 6 quick tips for making better pancakes straight out of the box. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. All right, Camp Griddlemore, we are just about ready to give you these 6 quick tips for making great pancakes straight out of the box, but we realized that we left our grease trap at home, but we are gonna soldier on and improvise to make it work. So let's dive in and give you tip number 1. Tip number 1 is, quite simply, do not obey the directions on the box. Find your own unique blend of water and pancake mix. I always feel like the directions on the box call for too much mix and not enough water. I really recommend finding what works for you and sticking with it so you can develop some consistency over time and your pancakes come out the same way, just the way you like them, time after time, camping trip after camping trip. Tip number 2, instead of using water, use club soda or seltzer. And personally, I'm on team seltzer. Club soda works well too, but I have found that sometimes it leaves a little bit of an aftertaste because there's actually some minerals in club soda. So I like seltzer all the way. It makes the pancakes lighter and fluffier because of the carbonation. Tip number 3, and admittedly this is a pretty common tip you can find just about anywhere where people are talking about pancakes. You don't want to overstir your batter. If you overstir your batter, your pancakes end up tasting just a little too thick and they don't get that light and fluffy taste that everybody loves so much. So you want to just sort of fold the batter over and over, maybe 10 to 20 times, and you want to leave some lumps in there, and that again will help you get a nice light and fluffy pancake. Tip number 4, and this is the most important tip for me personally, you want to stay on medium heat while you are cooking pancakes, particularly on these Blackstone camping griddles. They have a really nice range of temperatures from low heat to medium heat to high heat. If you were to cook your pancakes on high heat, they will look done on the top and bottom, but there could still be raw batter in the middle, and I don't know anybody that likes their pancakes that way. So for me, it's medium heat all the way when making pancakes at the campground. All right, Camp Griddlemore, I may have actually just lied to you because I think that tip 5 may truly be the most important tip. You want to give your pancakes a complete butter bath. Cover the entire griddle with butter, and another reason to keep it on medium heat so that butter doesn't burn, and then you will get those delicious butter rings that everybody loves when they eat pancakes at the campground. Tip number 6, don't be afraid to add some ingredients to your pre-bought pancake mix. A lot of people love adding vanilla, some people love adding cinnamon, and some people love even adding maple syrup into the batter as they stir it up. And also, if you really want to go all the way and make your pancakes delicious, add some fresh fruit. Everybody knows that blueberry pancakes are very popular, but strawberries also work really well, and some people even love adding bananas into the mix, or some people go all the way and add all 3. Or if you're one of my 3 sons, Max, Theo, or Wes, you could just add chocolate chips to the mix and call it a day, because that is the only extra ingredient that they want in their pancakes. All right, Camp Griddlemore, let's dive into one of these pancakes. We got a whole bunch of them to choose from. These are super light, they are super fluffy, just as good as any diner pancakes you could ever get. So let me know in the comments below. I gave you my 6 tips for better pancakes at the campground. Leave me a comment below and tell me what one of your tips are for having better pancakes at the campground straight out of the box. Until next time, we'll see you at the campground.